Alright, everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a little Escape from Corregidor, part 3. We were getting ready to do nighttime, and we're in box 15. I really should try to forage, but I really want to get off this map too. We have no meat, so we don't have a good fishing expedition. Whereas if I forage, um, we're going to end up spending 2 turns here regardless, because foraging. Hunting is -3 at night. Foraging is -3 at night. It is nighttime. Um, Gee, oh man, we got a long ways to go to our next land. But I mean, we're going to wasting a whole day right here, or a whole night rather, because I really can't go after villages or anything till daylight. If we go day here, or night here, night here, then I've wasted again a couple of more. Um, That'd be one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five, six. So it's still better to stay here a day. And we're also running out of everything. I think we need to just take a chance on our fishing carrying us through while we have decent water and keep moving. All right, let's do this. We're going to go to night. We're going to go to the charts B1. We're moving. We're going to roll for weather. 5. We had heavy rain. That's going to be 6, 7. So we get a light rain now, which is good. Roll 1 die 6 for water. We get 4, which is also good. Yeah, it makes me feel better about just going for it and seeing if we can get off this map. Um, we're going to roll for wind. 8. That's good. We have wind present, so we're going to stay with sail. I'm going to try fishing. This is an all important one. 4. No catch. Yeah. Okay, well, we're all taking a hit then. No enemy contact at night. Random event. 20. We have a random event. Go to B7. Random event 2D6. 4. Sneaky seagulls steal food from boat. -2. Well, that's not going to hurt us at all because we don't have any. Food and water consumption. We're going to lose 3 water. And we're going to go into our log sheet and we're going to take 2 off of everybody on the boat. Hold on a minute. Alright, got interrupted there. I think we were right here. So let's finish this off. And if I skipped any, I apologize. The interruptions always seem to come at the worst time. Um, okay, so uh, we're on a hunger strike now. Boat power sails, so at least we don't lose fuel. We're going to do nav check plus. Well, let's see. We have green travel box. I believe we're still in the green. Yes, +1. It's night, but not fair weather, so we only get the +1. Get +2. So 2d6 +2, 3, 4, 5. Still off course. This has not been my day so far. So we stay where we're at. Good news is we don't have to roll for engine failure. Bad news is we're still out of food and we should have just stayed. Um, Good news is we're going in the day. And because we stayed here, now I'm going to go in and forage. We're going to roll for weather. 8, 9. Light rain again. 1 die 6 for water. 3. So we're complete on water. We're going to roll for wind. Don't really need to, but I'll keep in practice. 7. We have wind. And we're going to go to C1 now. We will create a party, I believe. C1, creating that party. Hmm. You know what? I bet you that's what that is. That's what it is. Control. No, I'm in Control C. That shouldn't do that. Delete him. Delete him. Let's see what happens. It is Expedition Control C. That's my problem. Okay. So I'm copying him every time I send him. I need to change that. Just like I did this when I had to change him to Control Shift D. Alright, expedition set up, equipment wise, binocs. Binocs and compass stay with our commander. Take a medicine along in case, a gift along in case, a pistol along with the hunting skill, an ammo, another ammo here, and a first aid just in case. We're going to carry 1 water just in case, and we're set. Alright, so now we go to C1, now C2. Village search, you'll do that, plus 2d6. We're still on map 2, so that's plus 2. 4, 5, 6, no native village. Our dice are not very friendly again. Hunting, gotta try hunting. 2d6 again. Mine don't think we don't have the, yeah, we do have the hunting skills. So we've got the plus 1, 9, 10. Hunting successful, good. 1 die 6 meat. 6, that's great. And we're going to use up, I will use up an ammo happily for that. So that buys us some time. Okay, 6 meat. Alright. Oh boy. I keep doing that. It goes onto the party sheet, not the boat inventory, as much as I'd like to throw it on the boat inventory, which means we're going to drop a water because we have an abundance of that and we don't have an abundance of meat. And we will not worry about foraging now because foraging would just be a waste of time as we don't have any room left to carry anything. So I hope you guys can hear this. It feels like my mic's fading, and there was my mandatory sneeze while recording. So we're not going to forage. We have to check for random event. We get no random event. Landing boat crew fishing, 2d6. 10, good, 4 fish. So we're set on meat. Now we're ready for that crossing. 11, landed boat event, no random event. 13, return trip pathfinding. It's day, and we're going to add 1, 2d6 plus 1. 6, 7, successful. So everybody goes back to the boat. he goes back over here because I didn't send him, and I will have to fix that. Alright, now we go over here, put all of our stuff back. First aid goes back. Put all the meat over here. Oops, nice, Greg. Let's just draw it and drag it. Okay, we look pretty good. We look like this is the best as we're ever going to look for that run on that long stretch there. So we're going to go for it now. All right, everybody's off of there. We're back on the boat. We're going to use our consumption up. Alright, we're going to check for departure, which we do want to do, and then we're going to go to B1. Nighttime. Check for weather. 7, 8. Light rain again. Roll 1 die 6 for water. 4. Good, we got back everything we lost. Very nice. Roll for wind. 6. No wind. Not very nice. Go to B3, fishing. 5, no catch. Here we go again. Nighttime, so we don't have to worry about being seen. Random event, no random event. Food and water consumption, 3 of each. Boat power, going to have to be engine. Going to use up fuel. Roll for nav. 12, we move on to the next square. And we check for engine failure. 3, no engine failure. We're going to go back to B1. Going to be daylight. Going to roll for weather, +1, 8, 9, still light rain, 1 die 6 for water, only 1 water this time. Wind check, 9, we have wind, that's good. Put the sail power down there before we forget. Roll for, nope, B3, fishing. 3, no fish again. Yeah, here we go. Sighting. This time we do got to go for sighting. We are on board 2. And there is a light rain, so we're going to subtract 1 from the die roll. 8, 7, no air. Subtracting 1 from the die roll again. 11, 10, no ships. Random event. 10, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. See how quickly that goes. Boat power, sail, navigation, +1, 9, 10. We can move. Good. We're going to go back to B1. We don't have to check for engine failure because we did not use the engine. It is now night time. We're going to check for weather, +1, 8, 9. Light rain again. 1 die 6 for water. 1 again. And checking for wind. 4, no wind. Fishing, 8. This time we got 2 fish, so we're going to make it through another day, barely. No contact, random event. 10, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. We're dwindling fast. 9, boat power is sail. Navigation, +1, 8. We can move. That's a good thing. We're almost off map 2, which will help our rolls for being seen. We don't have to roll for engine failure. Yes, we do. I missed that one. We have no wind. We had to use engine power. So we would have knocked the fuel down, and we do have to roll for engine failure. 5, no failure. Back to B1. Nighttime. No, that was nighttime. Daytime. Getting confused now. We're trying to get off of this board. Weather +1, 9, 10, heavy rain. Well, we should be able to get our water back. We roll 9 for weather, water. So we're fully stocked on water now. All right, and then we're going to roll for wind. 3, no wind again. Not good. No storms, so B3 fishing. 3, no catch. Um, Heavy rain, +2, -2. 2d6, 3. Enemy contact. Roll a d6, 5. Aircraft does not notice. Ships, +2, -2. 3. Yeah. Roll a d6, 5. Ship fails to notice. We got lucky on them rolls. Random event. No random event. 8. Food and water. And everybody loses 2. A lot of our skill guys are starting to go down into average, which is scary because we need them skills, especially these two. All right. Boat power. Got to be engine again. We're going to use up another fuel. Delete that one. We'll put another fuel out here on 5. And we're going to roll for navigation +1. Up, hold on. +1, -1, 0, 3. Oh, what it is with my 2d6s today. Ah, and engine failure. 3, nothing there. Next day, going to be nighttime. Roll for weather +2, 8, 9, 10. Heavy rain again. Water, we roll 8 of them. We only used 3. We got plenty of water. Fishing, 11, thank goodness. Large jellyfish. We're going to take a chance. 6. Crewman is injured. For injured crewman, roll d20. 5. That's enough. He's going to be injured. Line number 5 and D2d6, 7. 7 health boxes lost. F and G. First aid kit is available and used immediately. Yes, we will do that. Delete that. That takes him down to 4, I believe. We don't have medic, do we? Yeah, no, we. Yes, we do. We have medic. 1 die, 3 success. 2 success. No health boxes lost. Good. All right, so we get 5 meat. That was worth that, I believe. Especially since we have the medic skill this time. All right, we can get rid of that. Enemy contact, none. Nighttime. Random event, none. 8, food and water. This time we're fine. 9, boat power. Gotta be engine again. I forgot to roll. I think I forgot to roll wind, but we're gonna make me pay for that. Rolling for nav 11, where you get to move to the next one, which is the first. Oops, where did it go? Undo. Put that there right now while I switch maps. Go to 23 right here. We're no longer on map 2. Um, engine failure. 5. No engine failure. At least we're getting that. Okay, now we're going to go to daylight again. And we're going to roll 2d6 for weather. We get an 8, 9, 10. That's going to be heavy rain again. 2d6 for water. We got plenty of water. Not hurting on water. Going to roll for wind. 8. We have wind. We're going to be able to use sail. We're going to go fishing. 6. No catch. This is where that fishing skill would have come in handy, and we don't have it this time. Enemy aircraft, it is daytime. We got a heavy rain, so we're going to add 2. 4. Enemy contact. Imagine that. Where are my dice? 6. Aircraft fails to notice. Enemy contact ships. We get to add 2. 10. They don't notice. They don't see us. 6. Random event. No random event. 8. Food and water. Alright, so now we're going to get one group does not get, or is going to lose 2. So let's go 13 is going to lose 2. He's into poor health now. 10 is going to lose 2. He's in poor health now. 15 is going to lose 2. He's in poor health. 16. He's going to lose 2. 8. And 18. He's in poor health. Okay. Got to start getting some rolls here. Boat power is sail. Navigation +1. 7, 8. We're on course. We can move down to 24. Alright. We don't have to worry about rolling for that. We go to nighttime. We're still checking for weather. +2 for heavy. 10, 11, 12. Now we get a storm. That means no fishing. 2d6. We don't need water. We need meat. I'm going to roll 2d6 for, well, we can't use sail power anyway. Yep, wind's too strong, so yes, we have wind, but we're going to have to go to engine power. Alright, and B2 storm event. 6, no event. 3, fishing, no fishing. 4, no contact. 6, random event. 7, no random event. 8, food and water. Everybody on the boat loses 2. Alright, well, at least we're all still alive or not incapacitated. Boat power is engine power. We already knocked that down. We're going to roll for nav +1, -3. So -2. 4. Of course we don't. We're off course. Alright, so we stay there. Go to daylight. Roll for weather +3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Light rain. Alright. Roll 1d6 for water. We get 1. Check for wind. 4. No wind. Fishing. 9. 3 fish. Good. Buys us another day or another 12 hours. Enemy contact. Yes. We get +1. 5, 6. No air ships. Oops. 11. No ships. Random event 3, no random event. Food and water. All right, and we're going to go for boat powers engine, navigation, 5, 6. We barely stay on course, so we get the move. Um, Engine failure, no failure. B1, night. Roll for weather +1, 7, 8. Light rain again. 1 die 6 for water. We get 3 water. At least we have water. Fishing, 6. No catch. Enemy contact. Air, nothing. Random event check. 11. No random event. Food and water consumption. At least we're only taking 2 away. Alright. Everybody loses 2. Starting to see a lot of guys in poor, which means they really are worthless on exhibitions, expeditions. So we won't be doing a lot of expeditions, and we just lost our Pathfinder skill. And fortunately, we didn't lose our Nav skill. But if we keep doing poor fishing, we will. Boat power is engine again. We're going to roll for nav +1, 5. Of course we are. We are lost. Off course. Engine failure. No. B1, daylight. Rolling for weather +1, 6. Fair. No water. No water to roll for. Wind, 7. Barely get wind. I'll take that. Fishing, 7. 1 fish. That's not going to help us. Well, it is, but it's not. Enemy contact. Um, Straight up roll. No air. Straight up roll. No ships. Random event. No random event. Food and water. So 2 sections are going to be losing them now. We're going to have to go for. Oh boy. Before I do that, we're putting a nav skill up here. I think I already lost that anyway, but log. So we have 2 sections are losing 2 points each. So that's going to be 7, 2, 9, 5, 11, 12, 13, he's capped, 10, he's capped, 15, 16, he's capped, he's capped, and 8 and 18, he's capped, and he's capped. Not good. All right. Boat power. We got sail power. Navigation check. Says has the navigation skill, doesn't necessarily say he has to be in good as long as he's not in capped. Where is my nav? He's average, so he's still good. So we were rolling +1. 6, 7. Barely stay on course again. That's all right. On course is good. And at this point in time, I think our health is getting bad. We are not stopping on any of these because that's just wasting time. We're going to have to try and beeline it for Darwin now. Um, Engine failure. Don't have to check it. New turn. Rolling -1. 4, 3. You got to be kidding me. Now we're going to be short on water. 10. We have wind. Fishing. 3. You're kidding me. Good Lord. How many threes can I roll? Daylight spotted. Straight up roll. 7. Not seen by boats. 4. Not oh, we are seen. 4. Ship fails to notice. Random event. 7. No random event. 8. Food and water. Everybody loses 2. That does not leave. At least there's one guy in average. So yeah, we're not even going to waste time going out on expeditions anymore because three's the only guy that's worth anything. Um, Boat power, sail, navigation +1. 11. We move on. No engine failure check. Go to nighttime. Roll for weather -1. 4, 3. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to start having water problems. Roll for wind. 6. No wind. Yeah, my rolls have just gone south. Fishing. 4. No catch. Here it goes. We will not be seen. Random event. 11. No random event. 8. Food and water. We got 1 water, so 2 groups are going to lose 2 each. That's going to be B and C. So 7, 2. 9 and 5. 11 and 12. 13 and 10. He's dead. He's dead. Take them out. 13 and 10. 15 and 16. We were doing good. He's dead. He's dead. 8 and 18. And 18's dead. Boy, just that one guy left down there. That's 8. And he's on his last one. I might as well cut him out right now because everybody's going to lose 2 more. Because we got no food. one's done. 14, 17. All right, well, there we go. Well, good news is we're only going to be using two up a turn now. 9 boat power. We're going to go back to engine. We're going to roll for navigation. We still have our navigator. He's in poor health but can still navigate. 10, 11, we can still move. We use the engine. 1 day 6, of course, our engine breaks down. Inoperative. 1 engine repair attempt per turn may be made. Roll 1 die 6. Um, our mech guy is still available. Poor health, but available. That's medic. We don't have. Yeah, we have mech 7. He's in capped, so we can't use his mech skill, but we can use spare parts if we still have them. Yes. Engine repair per turn. I guess we can try to repair it right away. 1 to 2. -1 for spare parts. 1 die 6 -1. 5-4 failure. Engine remains inoperable. If available spare parts is used, engine remains inoperative. So I guess we don't use the spare parts because we didn't fix it. Okay, but that is temporary inoperable. So now we go back to B1. We need some help and we need it fast. We're going to daylight now. 2d6 for weather, -1. 7-6, fair again. Wind, 8, at least we have wind. Alright, B3, fishing. 10, poor fish. Well, that's a bonus. We'll die of thirst. 4 is aircraft can spot us. 9, no. Ships. 5, no. Random event. 16, no. 8, food and water. Everybody loses 2 because we don't have water. We lose number 7. We lose number 9. We lose number 12. Oh, and then there was 8. Alright, boat power is sail, navigation. We still have navigator. Is he available to use that? He's in capped, so I'm going to say we can't use the navigation skill. So it's a straight up roll with no additions. 10. We're good. Alright. But we still got map 4 to go, map 5 to go. Yeah. I don't think so. We can try and repair the boat. 1 die 6. 1. We repaired it. Get rid of our spare parts. At least our engine is operable again. B1. Nighttime. Rolling for weather -1. 5-4. That's going to be the end of us. I'm sure of it. No water. Wind check. 12, we have wind, fishing, 9, 3 fish. Well, we got meat, so we're only losing 2. Nobody's going to spot us. Random event, 14, no random event. Food and water, everybody loses 2 because no water. And nobody can fish anymore. So, 2's gone. 5's gone. 6 is still alive. Yeah, we've got nobody can do anything anymore. So we have 6 guys all incapacitated on a boat. So we are not going to be able to make it because I can no longer fish. They're all incapacitated. So we lost again. So anyway, thanks for joining me. We will try it another round. You all have a great night, and we'll see what happens on round 3.